If there's one thing you can never have enough of, that is storage. Now, especially if you're renovating, rebuilding, or simply moving house. But when it comes to storage containers, there's a few things you need to look out for. First and foremost is security and protection from the elements. Now, this pod storage container is not only lockable, but it's completely waterproof, which means that all your goods are going to stay nice and dry. Come and have a look inside. So one of the first things you notice when you step inside is the beautiful ambient light coming through, meaning that you can see what you're doing when you're packing it. Now, another really important thing is ventilation. If you're storing your goods for an extended period of time, things can go mouldy, but the ventilation will stop that from happening. Now, the other thing that these pod storage containers have are loads and loads of these titanium points, which means it's going to keep everything nice and secure when it's being transported. Combine that with good packing practices and you can be sure all your stuff's going to arrive in great shape.